Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox low memory warning. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, here as you can see, I have my Android phone opened. So if you have an Apple device, just listen closely, okay? Go to settings or the settings app. Now go ahead and go to general. Once done, locate the app section and find Roblox. Once done, tap on Roblox and then tap on offload app. Okay. Now, if you're using an Android device, just go ahead and locate the app icon, which is right here. Tap and hold. Now tap on the information icon. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead over to storage. Okay. Find storage. Tap on it. Now tap on clear cache. Okay. Tap on clear cache. Now, once done, tap on clear data. Okay. After that, go ahead and open up Roblox and it will ask you to sign in. Just sign back in, and once done, you should be good to go. Now, what if you're still having a problem? Well, all you have to do is just go ahead over to the settings. Okay. Both applies to Android and iOS. Just find the app section right here. Tap on it. Now go ahead and find any apps that you don't need, okay? If you found one, just delete it. If not, go ahead and open up your gallery and delete videos and photos. That's basically it. Once that's done, you can now go ahead and freely play Roblox. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.